I need some stuff. Just need to find that stuff in the middle of this mess right here. Those are my tools. I will show you later my plan for this, but right now what do we need? We need here. We need this. We also need we also need this. I'm not gonna throw because it's gonna mess everything up. So we need something that was here but it's not anymore. I found it. So we need that, and then we also need this. More important, we need a truck. Haha, I told you guys that would fit. Whoa, welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. So has been a long time, right? But it's okay, we're gonna get some stuff done today. As you guys can see, the truck is in the garage. It's cold today. Right now it's 46 degrees, which is awesome. The last 2 weeks was like between 25 and 30. Northeast, welcome. But anyway, we're gonna get some stuff done. There's one thing, as you guys probably saw by the title, we are buying the new grill for the truck. I'll take you guys through the whole thing. We're gonna sit in the computer. I'll show you the price, the website I'm gonna get from, and everything else. But before I need to get something done to the truck that has been a long time. Is this way, but I want to change today. All right, so I'm gonna pull the truck a little bit out. I'll leave the back because we're gonna work in the back, and we go from there. I promise you, it's not gonna take too long. I know you guys are thinking, I'm like, every time I park the car here, my antenna, can you guys see there? My antenna hits the garage opener. So if I lifted the truck, there is no way this truck will make it here. That might be able, but I don't think so. Maybe I have to remove the thing. But anyway, so what I need to do, it's so dirty because we got snow 2 days ago. So it's salt everywhere in the truck. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap. I don't know if you guys remember, but probably a year ago, oh boy, a year ago, I wrapped the Chevy bow tie with carbon fiber wrap. And for many different reasons, when I got a car wash, that fell off. So today I'm gonna fix that because I'm tired to see. The first thing I need to do, I will clean the entire thing. And then should not take too long. I promise you, should not take too long. And then we're going to head to my computer. We're gonna buy the grill. This is just water. There's nothing here. It's just water. I really need to get a car wash. Yeah, when we were wrapping something, just make sure it's very clean because the dirt can get underneath of the wrap, and that's not good. So it's clean, as you guys can see. It is super clean. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut a piece of wrap using my heat gun, and we should be good to go. Here's the wrap, the vinyl actually. Here's the vinyl I got from Amazon. So I don't know how much I paid. It has been a long time, but I'll leave the link in the description below so you can get yours if you want to. It's not the main topic for today's video, but I just want to get this done. So I normally cut, like, you know, a good piece, so it's not too short. Yeah, that's enough. But you guys can use like a hair dryer or whatever you have. It's funny, when you start getting older, you get all those tools that you never thought you would have one, but here I am, right? There you go, working. That goes right here. Just be careful because it gets really hot. There it is. Just make sure you have all those marks here, you know what I'm saying? Then you can just cut. That's it. I mean, let's cut. There we have it, guys. It's not perfect, but looks good. Let me know what you guys think. The only thing I would say, make sure your knife is really sharp, and you don't really need a heat gun. You just need like a regular, if you can get that thing hot, that's what matters. But maybe you don't need that. So yeah, to be honest, I really miss having everything like black. A lot of people ask me about the tail lights. The tail lights are not good anymore. So I said I would sell, but I will never sell something for you guys that is not good. I just think it's not fair. But anyway, right now, let's head to my computer, and I'm gonna show you guys the process that I'm buying, and that's kind of gonna be like a series, if you want to call that. I don't know how long it's gonna take for me to get the part, but I will show the website, I will show the day and how many days it take, I will show the amounts and everything, and when we get the part, we're gonna install together. All right, so let's head to my computer and see. I hope I can show you that to you guys. I'll try to do my best, so let's do it. Here's my computer. As you guys can see, that's I really believe if you want something, you have to keep that in mind. That's why you see a McLaren 570. Who knows, one day I just try to motivate myself every time I go to my computer. I have something like that, but that's not the topic of today. So I'm gonna open here. I have all this crap in my screen, and we go into Shopee, ChevyParts.com. I did my research already, and here is by far the cheapest one. You see, the first page is the Colorado, but if you so I'm gonna sign up here. Of course, I'm not gonna show my email to you guys. So if you sign up for a first order, you're gonna get a coupon. So anyway, see, I will try to get the coupon for the first order, but you can go ahead and you can buy by Chevrolet, GMC. You can buy by year and just choose whatever you want. So what I'm gonna do, if you click here, that's Colorado. Put a shop now, and you see you have many. So a lot of people are asking me about the assistance tabs. I think you can find here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grills should be here, and they have many options, and that's the one I want. That's the price. It's actually running some kind of promotion / sell, whatever they call that. That's the price. That's how it's gonna look like. So that's how it's gonna look like. I think it's gonna be awesome. Just keep in mind I don't have the orange thing anymore in my truck. But anyway, so in here you have all the description. You also have a video if you want to look at it. But it's very simple. I'm just gonna add to the car, and yeah, that's it. So I will proceed to check out, just see if I can get if I can get a discount. So once you get your if you sign up for an email, you're gonna get a code. So I will try to use that code. I suggest you to sign up. I of course I skip all the parts that show my address and my personal information. But here's what you guys need to see it. So the total price, you have to pay ship. You have to pay for delivery, which is $50, which is a bummer, but I got a 5% discount here, so should work fine. I will confirm the order, and alright, I just finished the order, so we should be fine. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy. So now we're gonna wait for the part to arrive, and then we're gonna install, right? As always, thank you so much for watching. If you are here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. That's very important. Leave your comments below. I'm looking forward to install this new girl, and I will see you guys next video. As always, don't forget, enjoy your life.